only desire. I hear you knocking on the doorway of my heart. From the world being wholly sanctified. So many brothers, so many sisters, confusion fills their minds. They feel so useless, they feel so worthless, they feel so sinful too. Don't listen to the lie. Our Lord, He really loves you. Humble yourselves before Him in the secret chambers. Hold your heart and pray and pray and pray. Light my heart, fill me with fire, loving you, Lord Jesus, is my only desire. I hear you knocking on the doorway of my heart. From the world being wholly sanctified. Though unbelieving, my friends, you're crying. You smile, but inside you're sad, searching for reality deep within your hearts, but not sure where to start. When you turn your hearts to the Lord, my friends, the veils are taken away. Your eyes are open, your heart believes. Then you begin to pray and pray and pray and pray. Light my heart, fill me with fire, loving you, Lord Jesus, is my only desire. Light my heart, fill me with fire, light my heart, fill